Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you how to remove group admin from WhatsApp. First thing first, open up the WhatsApp on your mobile device. Then go to the group you want admin to be removed of. So to remove an admin, you will first need to promote another group member to admin status. You can do this by tapping on the group name, then scrolling down and tap on the member's name. Find the member you want to make an admin and tap on their name and choose Make Group Admin option. And once you have promoted a new admin, ask them to remove the admin status of the person you no longer want to be an admin. They can do this by tapping on the group name, selecting participants, finding the person's name, tapping on it, and then selecting Remove as admin. If you want to remove the person from the group entirely, the new admin can tap on the person's name in the participants list and choose remove and the name from the group. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel and keep watching our video for new tech tips and tricks. Thank you so much.